Hello and welcome to yet another tutorial of Tabschool. For those who don't know, Tabschool is a classroom learning management system where we just don't talk about technology but also talk about in developing skills. And for that we have created the content builder where teachers can create their content and then they can send it to students through which they can develop various skills. So many skills are required throughout the school years or even to be successful in life, like problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, language learning skills, socialization skills are required. So all our tools are designed in that manner. So in this particular tutorial, we're going to talk about problem solving skills and the tools related to that we have designed for the teachers in which they can create certain assignments, a certain content for the students. One of them is word puzzles, or also known inside our Tabschool LMS, find the words. So word puzzles are very good for problem solving techniques, critical thinking techniques. The more you give word puzzles to students, the more it helps. So in this particular case, we have created find the words for the class 6 or grade 6 students, and these are the words that we have we have added into this, and the students can find. So let's see how we can build this using Tabschool LMS, classroom LMS system. So let's learn how we can build the content. So log into the Tabschool Classroom Learning Management System account teacher panel. So if you are not do not have an account, create one. If you already have, log into your teacher panel, and once you log in, you will get to see your dashboard with your details. To start off with that, go to the content on the left hand side menu and click on it. There you will find an option of content builder. Once you click content builder, the content builder will load and it will look something like this. Here you can find find the words, or you can browse also. So here I'm just clicking find the words and move from there. At any given point you do not find, just search. So click on find the words and then you get this canvas where you can create the content. Click on the arrows to full screen. It will be easy for you to create the content. And so I've done that. Now I'm giving a title here, that is find the words. So I'm writing find the words in the grid. Similarly, I can give the task description. So I'm writing the same, find the words in the grid to improve your vocabulary. So that is there. Now if you look at this, it says word list. So word list means all the words that you want students to find can be listed here, separated by commas. It's a very self-explanatory tutorial. You can also see it says that special characters, white spaces and numbers are not allowed. So we can go ahead and start adding the words. I have already gathered some words here, so you can do as well. That here are some of these: dimension, evaluate, genuine, irrigate, frequency, benefit, history, manipulate, viewpoint, violate, construct, civilization, analyze, compose, democracy, and extent. So these are the words. So let's start by adding the first word, that is dimension. So just opening up the here, let's add it in the word list. So I'm adding dimension and pasting it here. So it can be a tedious, so let's do it. Let's copy all of them and paste it right there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm copying the multiple words and I'm pasting. So there you go. Now you have to make sure there is a comma and no white spaces, and like I'm doing it here, comma and removing the white spaces, comma and removing the white spaces, comma and removing the white spaces. Okay. Now once that is done, all you have, now it has been fully done. It's once it's done, there is some behavioral actions we can look into it, like there are orientations like horizontal left to right, horizontal right to left, vertical downwards, vertical upwards, diagonal downwards. Then so many other options. You can enable and disable any of these options as per your requirement. And then there is other options like this says vertical downloads and prefer overlap of the words, and that is there. And what words to find, you can do that. This is enabling of solution to show and enable retry. So I am just disabling the enable retry button. And then we have the text overrides and translations. Currently is by default in English, but if you are in a different language, you can change it to different text and translations. For now I'm just minimizing it, and now my whole find the words is done. So I'm minimizing it. Now all I have to do is add a title because I want to send it to particular students. So I'm just saying add a title, I'm adding a description, and there are the classes that are assigned to me. So I'm just sending it to information technology class. So there's no branch, they're all information technology class, and all I have to do is click on save. So once it is saved, you can see that on the last page that it has been sent to the students of the information technology. And let's see if they got it or not in the next. Let's log into the student account and see if they got it or not. So go on to the student panel, and I'm just adding some details of dummy count, and there I can see whether I got it the entire or not. So I'm just right away going into feeds, and there I got it. So student gets it as a find the words in the grid to improve your vocabulary. There it is, you can see it. And I click on complete assignment, and now you've got it. So I've got the entire word puzzle, and I have the word vocabulary, and all I have to do is find these words here. So let's see if I can find some of these words right here. So how it is actually works is, see, I can find irrigate. So there you go, I can click on it, and there you have it, and it says yes, you are correct, you have found the irrigate word. So similarly, there are entire words that I have entered are shown here, and let's find few more to show you as to how students really work. So found another one, which is construct. These are pretty easy, I believe. So that's there. One more, let's find one more. So yeah, I found one more, that is view point. So there it is. So these are the tools that help in students problem solving skills, and the more you give them, the more it is going to help them out. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you will be able to use this tool for your students in helping them out in learning not just vocabulary but many more subjects. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So for more tutorials, keep looking at the Tabschool support channel. We'll be posting more and more tutorials in near future. Thank you.